So my beauties, and here I want to highlight how important is to analyze destiny matrix as a whole, because not always energy 16 on money line stands for fast education and for your child being genius and jumping from first grade to fourth grade, yeah, in one go. But under which circumstances? Because energy 16 may indicate on money line, may indicate problems with education as well, that your child will stuck in a certain class for a few years, yeah. But here we have easy access to universal information field, confirmed not only by visit card how person appears in eyes of society, yeah, but as well crown chakra, energy 20 repeated on a crown chakra. So a very strong access to universal information field, just like I have. He's having this too. So here we go, serving army. Afghan received higher education in Kabul Polytechnic Institute. And in 1982, he went to USSR, where he continued his studies in Lipetsk and Leningrad. According to Sediq, he has master's degree in mathematics and doctorate in science, but finding the dissertation, PhD, topic to which the predictor devoted his final scientific work turned out to be not so easy. Yeah, so that's why I thought he's having Boston program, but no, he's just having 6, 17, 5, when sometimes you can exaggerate things, yeah. He himself presents the scope of his research interests as broadly as possible. It included the history of the peoples of the USSR and the relation between the East and West, as well as numerology and the Pythagorean theory of numbers. How Afghan brought together all these diverse categories remains a mystery. To bring up together diverse categories, which energy responsible for. Those of you who already watched my videos, girls and guys, remember videos I made for Energy 21 with advice. About egregors, I made series of videos, yeah. Very important to watch for those of you who have Energy 21. He is having Energy 21 in Karmic Tail. So in his case, my beauties, in his case, he brought up together, and for him it was like working on his past life karma and closing it. Bringing up together all these diverse categories means he was open-minded. He kept an open mind. He was not like centered at his like only my religion is right, only my culture is true culture. No. It's energy 20 behaves, yeah, usually, but he's having 21 as well, and that's conflict of 2021. So he brought up together all these categories. He studied, he kept open mind, yeah. He integrated this everything. So for people who doesn't have Energy 21, for those of them, it will remain a mystery how he did. For him, he is able to, he's pretty much capable to with his Energy 21. How many times and I gave this important advice to Energy 21, study all religions, write down for yourself your own religious codex, rules, set of rules, what you like about one religion, what you dislike, and follow only what you like in each and every religion, yeah, and try to ignore negative things, like not take them too close to the heart. Okay, here we go. Among his scientific achievements, Afghan mentions participation in the World Mathematics Competition, delivering a formula for the inverse binomial of Newton, as well as competition in solving equations, which he won against a computer in America. Speaking to mathematicians at the University of Texas, Sediq assures that he can handle mathematical problems of any complexity. Okay, so and again, this is representing his motherland. We are at international arena. So here we go with another one. According to Afghan, already in the 1970s, his mathematical research was recognized in the official scientific community. At the same time, he became an academic and professor of many academies of the world, although which one specifically not specified. At the same time, again, according to the predictor himself, scientists from all over the planet were drawn to him for life-giving knowledge, and heads of state tried to befriend him in order to learn the secret of their fate. Afghan could not honor all the leaders of countries with his favor, having met only 21. For example, United States President George Bush was not among them, whose moral qualities seemed dubious to Sediq, and therefore he rejected his personal invitation, thus falling into disfavor with the collective West. As Sediq himself assures, the algorithm he created, and here is very important and interesting, the algorithm he created helped him receive predictions about the collapse of USSR, the September terrorist attack in the United States, the Ukrainian events of 2014, and the coronavirus pandemic as the spread of biological weapons of artificial origin. Forecasts about the future of Soviet Union, which according to Sediq was supposed to disintegrate into 44 states, however, led to the mathematician being expelled from the country. So USSR expelled him after this prediction. Of course, nobody loves bad predictions, negative predictions. Of course, when you predicting something not very good, you will fall into disgrace of this person or people, instead of them being warned and taking something, acting somehow on negative prediction. This is gonna happen. So he was expelled, and he was able to return to Russia only 15 years later. The Afghan predictor spent this period in his homeland where he began to derive a formula for life, that is, to calculate the future using the method of philosophical mathematics. And here, like, philosophical mathematics. His predictions greatly interested Evgeny Gerguri, who collaborated with Sediq and posted his interviews on his YouTube channel. Okay, this is the Russian one. Afghan saw the relationship between numbers and events, believing that a person is born according to schedule. That's interesting. Where the sine wave is the father and cosine wave is the mother. Sinus, cosinus in Russian. Sine wave is the father and the cosine wave is the mother. Based on numbers, it becomes possible to predict life events, including the date of death. Sediq even founded the World Philosophical Mathematical Scientific Center, on the basis of which he reveals to people the connection between the past and the future, the spiritual and material. And this is a very interesting one, World Philosophical Mathematical Center. Now the Afghan mathematician continues to do what he loves. If physics predict fate from a photo, if psychics predict fate from a photo, that's me and photo analysis, then for Sediq numbers are enough, which line up in his head in a chain of interconnected events, and this is like amazingly. Look, on his money line, energy 16. On his money line is energy 16, which about shocking. He is earning money with dealing with some type of shocking information about your death. Of course, it's shocking. This philosophical mathematics is shocking. Seeing all the dots and connections, being lucky energy 10 to see all these connections and dots. Connecting the dots. It's energy 8. Actually, connecting all the dots, revealing shocking information. Amazing one, Matrix.